Hello everyone and welcome back to Rays of Redemption. Today we're making a quick and tasty 30-minute spicy salmon bowl. In our busy lives, it can be tough to find time for our family and our spiritual connections. Just like this meal, we can make small changes to prioritize what truly matters. Let's cook together and discover how efficient time management can enhance our relationships and deepen our connection with God. First things first, for our refreshing cucumber avocado salad that we'll be adding to our bowl, we need 2 cucumbers, 1 avocado, both diced, about 1/4 cup of cilantro, diced, and the juice of about a little lemon. You'll see how much I squeeze, and a dash of honey. Let's get into it, guys. Now you'll notice here, I will not use both cucumbers. I'm going to use about a cucumber and a half for this, and I'm also only going to use a very small portion of my avocado for the simple fact that my husband's not the biggest fan of avocados. So I promised I would kind of, disguise it a little bit. To be honest, I didn't even tell him that it's in there, but I don't think he's going to notice. It's just going to blend. And it's going to be the same color as this cucumber, so no one will notice, but it is a great addition. Avocados deliver such a good and healthy fat that you want to add to your meal every now and then, so it's perfectly fine. He'll be okay. He won't even notice. I also feel that it's important to mention that before I started any of this, I did preheat my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Y'all, by the time I have made this cucumber salad, by the time I've completed the sauce and diced up my salmon in all of its wonderful flavors, the oven will be ready to go. My salmon can go into the oven, and it only needs to be in there for about a little over 10 minutes, maybe about 15 minutes. And yeah, this is how we create very quick, simple, and healthy meals, but they're still going to be tasty. That's what's important. We want to combine all of the wonderful elements: taste, flavor, time, and nutrition. We got all that here. So after we've added everything to our cucumber avocado salad, we're just going to mix it very well. And then I'm going to set it to the side, or rather I'm going to set it in the refrigerator until it's ready for it to shine. Now for our spicy sauce, we're going to use about 1 cup of Greek yogurt. I only have these little small ones, so I'm just going to use both of these. And then I'm going to add that to our bowl. We're going to get us a lemon, squeeze maybe about 1.5 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We're going to use 1/4 cup of our sriracha. I like saying that word, sriracha. 2 teaspoons of some cumin, and I'm going to use a little smoked paprika. To top it off, we're going to add some honey. We're going to mix it all up, because whenever I make any type of sauce, I'm a little bougie. I'm going to use my little hand blender over here and get it very well blended, you guys. And then once again, we're going to set this to the side in the refrigerator until it's time for it to shine. Oh yeah, I did add cayenne. I can't believe I forgot that. That added a little bit of extra. This sauce was spicy, so omit if you can't handle it. Now after I set this to the side and place it in the refrigerator, I'm going to get my rice together. We're going to cook about 2 cups of rice. Don't ask why I have so much rice, and also why all 3 of these bags are open. I have no clue. Anyway, rice is self-explanatory. We will not get into that. But next we're going to talk about this salmon. You guys, I always buy the sockeye salmon. I feel like it's the best one, and I'm also not the biggest salmon fan, or its nasty skin on the back. But when I get it from Whole Foods, I have them remove the skin, and I do always get this sockeye salmon. I don't know why. I don't know why I believe it was my mom that told me to just start getting the sockeye because I needed it to be a little bit more neutral flavored. And I find that this one is it's got a little bit of a buttery texture. I kind of like it. So for this, I did use about a pound of salmon. I cut it into bite-sized pieces, about 2 tablespoons of some avocado oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, about 3 tablespoons of my sriracha, and 1/4 cup of my soy sauce. Y'all, we're gonna toss all this right here. There's no need for a bowl. I'm a little messy like this. All I need is my chopping board and we're good to go. Now, once I have all of this together, I'm going to place it on my giant cookie sheet, well spread out. And yeah, just going to bake it for about 10 to 11 minutes. Once that has completed, I'm going to set my oven to broil and broil for a couple of minutes just to get the glaze to kind of settle in just a little bit better. And then remove. By creating quick 30-minute meals, this is a fantastic way to practice time management, allowing you to nurture your relationship with Christ and spend quality time with your family and friends. By efficiently preparing meals, you open up precious moments for reflection, prayer, and meaningful conversations with loved ones. I want to share 3 additional tips that you can use to enhance this experience. Number 1. Set aside a designated family meal time to ensure everyone can gather together. This can foster deeper connections with your family. Number 2, incorporate a gratitude practice before your meals, where each family member shares something that they're thankful for, aligning your hearts with Christ's teachings. Number 3, use meal prep as an opportunity to involve the entire family, teaching valuable cooking skills and creating lasting memories. Y'all, my husband cannot stay in the kitchen, but these are lasting memories, and he's gonna learn to love it one day, maybe. I don't know. JK. By integrating these practices, you not only nourish your body, but also your spirit and your relationships. As you gather around the table, consider words of Psalm 107, 8-9. Let them give thanks to the Lord for his unfailing love and his wonderful deeds for mankind. For he satisfies the thirsty and fills the hungry with good things. Y'all, let's dive into the preparation of our bowl. I layered the base with my white rice. You can use quinoa or brown rice, whatever satisfies your fancy. I'm going to top it with my glazed salmon. You may not have caught this, but I have some sriracha that has honey in it, and it is amazing. Lastly, I'm going to top it with my spicy sauce. Y'all, I love this bowl. So did my husband. I hope you enjoy it too. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to gather, share, and love. Until next time, may your days be filled with flavor and your hearts with grace. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Y'all, let me know in the comments if you make a 30-minute meal. Bye.